What is going on, friends and fans? Ryan Dohrn here. We're talking sales and marketing, and we're talking about what are the three main things that you're going to do today to improve your sales process. You know, every day doesn't have to be a random day out there in sales land. Now, some of us, not me included, all right, I try to be better than this. Some of us wake up in the morning and we just kind of don't know what the day is going to hold. Some of you on the complete opposite side, you wake up in the morning and you say to yourself, I'm going to live this day like it's the last day I'm going to be alive. Live every day like it's the last day. Well, that's a little stressful as well, because if you're living today like it's your last day, are you really going to be at work, right? So when you think about it, friends, I like to say to myself, what are the three main things that I need to accomplish today? Now, in my sales life, the three main things are prospecting for new business, following up like a crazy maniac machine, right? And the third is retaining customers for a lifetime. So every day in my mind, I'm kind of training myself. These are the three main things that I'm going to try to accomplish today. Then I'm going to time block those things. I'm going to make time for them. I'm not going to ignore the time block when it pops up. But then I also have little mini goals below the bigger goal. Okay, so let's talk about retention. I can say to myself, retaining of customers, you're 60 to 70% more likely to retain a customer than to sell a brand new customer. Okay, cool. So retention, that's one of my main goals. Okay, what are the three mini goals below that main goal that help me get that done? Okay, so first, retention's the main goal. Mini goal number one, make it a part of my daily life, daily sales life. Number two, varying the things that I do as I try to retain those customers. So it might be a handwritten thank you note this month. It might be sending a sugar wish from sugarwish.com. Might be the second thing that I'm going to do. The third thing might be that I'm going to schedule time to go to that client's office, just as an example, or meet them at a trade show. Those three little mini steps to get, or mini goals, to get to the bigger goal of retention. Now, some of you've got a messed up sales process. I mean, every day is a new day, and that's pretty stressful. So one of your goals might be to better identify your sales process. So as an example, let's talk prospecting. You might say, okay, one of my three goals for my sales process today is going to prospect better. Okay, what are the three mini goals below your three bigger goals? Okay, so the mini goals below prospecting, number one would be, am I doing great research when I reach out to my clients? Am I mentioning, hey, I saw on Facebook you're doing this. I saw on LinkedIn you're doing that. Am I doing research to prove relevance? That might be a mini goal in prospecting. Okay. Number two might be calling people, emailing, setting up Zooms for the perfect time of day for them. Remember, you always want to build your schedule around your buyer's schedule. You might be an early riser. I'm not. You might be, hey, I'm up at 5 a.m. answering emails. Good for you. Okay. Well, are you sending emails at 5 a.m.? Well, if you're the early bird gets the worm. No, early emails get deleted. So if you're writing emails at 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, maybe you use delayed delivery or send later to have them hit at the perfect time for your customer, which might be 10:15 or it might be 11:15, just as an example. So friends, when you think about what you're going to do today or tomorrow to improve your sales game, I want to challenge you to consider you need to set three sales goals for your day. Now, one of them might be prospecting better, one might be retaining things better, one might be hosting better meetings. But as you set up those three things, you need three mini goals below each of those things to help drive you to success. Remember, a goal without mini goals, it's kind of just a dream. It's not that it will never happen, but you need mini goals to get to your bigger goals. Now, a lot of you will say to me, Ryan, I'm really good at goal setting. Okay, if I really was to walk you through the gauntlet of goal setting, of what it really means, are you setting mini goals to get to bigger goals? Are you looking for ways to improve your sales process? Every day is a new day, I recognize that, but every day doesn't need to be treated like a new day. It's too stressful. Instead, I'd like to rely on predictability in a world where things are always changing. At least when I wake up in the morning and my feet hit the floor, I have some semblance of an idea of what my day might potentially look like. Friends, I love to do this. I love to strategize with you. I love to strategize with your team, train your team, motivate your team at your national sales meeting. So never be afraid to reach out to me over at ryandohrn.com. All right, stick around, stay close. More great training tips straight ahead.